Welcome to the NTE 35W TEXpress Lanes. This video will show you how to enter the northbound NTE 35W TEXpress Lanes after passing the I-820 interchange. While traveling north on I-35W, you will pass under the I-820 interchange. After merging with traffic, make your way to the left lane when it's safe to do so. You will see a white pricing sign with several toll rates. The first line shows the HOV2 Plus rate for carpool drivers with passengers or motorcyclists who have activated their 50% weekday rush hour discount through the free Drive On TEXpress app. The second line shows the pricing for vehicles with valid toll tags. If you don't have a toll tag, rates will be higher. For more information on regional HOV policies, visit nctcog.org. After passing under the pricing sign, keep to the left to enter the ramp for the NTE 35W TEXpress Lanes. Enjoy your trip on the TEXpress Lanes, and we'll catch you next time.